What's up mga kashishi? For today's video, we're talking about the YGG GAP. What is GAP? Or called Guild Advancement Program. YGG GAP is a YGG program and community-driven protocol that aims to reward the guild member for their contribution to the YGG community, project, and operation. You can earn some token kapag ginagawa nyo ang mga quest nila. Example natin dito yung Pixel Quest. As you can see, may mga criteria silang susundin mo and after neto, isasabit mo na and wait until matapos ang isang season. As of now, nasa season 6 tayo. Once complete na, pwede na ito i-claim at i-transfer ito sa mga digital wallets nyo. And guys hanggang August 28 na lang ito. Kaya you have chance to join and grind the other quests. Take note guys before nyo gawin lahat yan, you need to mint a YGG badge before you do this YGG GAP. So what are you waiting for? Join the Guild Advancement Program. Are you ready to play? Let's go! Sheesh!